Oh, greetings from Eddiespottery. We're going to do a kiln firing today. So we're going to focus on this and get this turned around, and oh, here we go, here we go. Yeah, I'll get this thing turned around over here. Aha! And I'm going to close this kiln up. Zoom, zoom. Close this up, and I'm going to get this fired today. So hopefully we'll get this fired, and then we're going to do a kiln opening. Okay, so you hang in there, and later on today we're going to get that up and running. So nice little kiln. So hey, we'll get back here real quick and open this kiln up after she's done. Okay, I hope this thing's recording okay. I mean, doing a kiln opening here. I know most of you saw, well, wait a minute. It was on the other part of this video that I loaded the kiln. Now, just got through and finished firing yesterday, and I needed to have this cool down. So looks like got a couple of nice pieces in here. So nice piece. It's got a few spots on it here. You know, I did a low firing, so it turned out rather nice though. So, and it was, you know, everybody's was new what they were doing, so we made a few pieces, and get these out here and have them looking at. It turned out not bad. And okay, yeah, but hey, they glazed it, they made it, they glazed it, and I'm glad that for the most part everything has turned out rather well. And all right, let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah. Okay. It's a face only a mother would love. What can I say? Ah. Ah, that cracks me up. Okay. All right. Yeah, they asked me if there was going to be any cracks or chips or anything like that. I have no idea. Oh, goody, 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 goody. My frog stayed on there. I was worried about the frog. That's nice. I like that little piece. Alright. Now, let's see what this one... Oh, good. That frog stayed on too. Made her nice and pink. Okay. Now. Oh. Now this turned out rather nice. Yeah. Turned out a nice little piece. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh, yeah. I think that some of the ladies will be rather pleased with what they got. Yeah. Okay. It's green and green. Green and blue. Nice soft blue. Alright. Now. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice. That piece has got several colors on it. So hey. And let's see what else we got here. All right. Looks like we did rather well. Little tiny jugs. Oh yeah. Well, that right there looks like we're at the end of it. And hey, we did a pretty good firing. Doesn't look like anything blew up. It all, no cracks in the bottom. I'm really impressed. So hey, you know, that's the way it's supposed to be. So hey, we have a lot of art here, and all the ladies will be happy that they got some good pieces, and they can say that they made it, you know. So thank you for being here with the kiln opening and all the pieces, and thanks for watching Eddie's Pottery.